Hi guys, this is Mr. Fixer. Today I will show you how to fix setup could not download the file error of DirectX. The reason you are getting this error in DirectX end-user runtime web installer is due to a connection error. You can resolve this error with a few steps such as DNS settings. But none of this is needed, because web installer finds and downloads files on the internet. So download DirectX's offline installer instead of web installer. You can find the link in the description. Then right-click on the desktop and create a new folder. Extract the files to the folder you created. Open folder. Find DX Setup and run it. And complete the installation process. You will not get the could not download the file error because all the files that need to be installed are in the folder. That's all. Don't forget to like if this video helped you. If the issue is still not be fixed or have another question, let me know in the comments section below. Also, you can support me by subscribing to the Mr. Fixer. Don't forget to all errors must be fixed. See you in the next video.